Stop scrolling. Honey is one of nature's most perfect creations. Crazy part? Honey never expires. Archaeologists found honey that's 3,000 years old, still edible. A single bee makes only 1/12 teaspoon of honey in its entire life. So 1 jar equals thousands of bees visiting millions of flowers. And honey is not just sweet, it's medicine. It fights bacteria, heals burns, boosts immunity, and is loaded with antioxidants. So the next time you use honey, remember you're tasting the teamwork of an entire ecosystem.